everybody, and welcome to Economy Furniture.
Thanks for joining us today. We are off-site right now, going to take a closer look into induction cooking. And this may look like a regular radiant top cooktop, but it is actually induction. So induction uses a magnetic force between the coil element and the pan to create heat. So there's some pretty cool things about induction, and we're going to talk about three of them. One of them being temperature control, one of them speed of cooking, and then also the ease of cleaning. So we will talk about what's going on in this pan in a minute. Right now I'm going to show you how fast it is to boil a pot of water. And if you notice, I just put this water in the pan, so it is not hot. And if you notice also, the eye size is much larger than what the pan actually is. But with induction is nice because the only heat that is conducted is right there in the pan, so all of this will stay cool. So my cooktop is already on because I have this chocolate over here. So all I do is press this, and I'm going to send it all the way up to boost to see how fast it will boil. My helpers here are going to count, and we'll see how long it takes this water to boil. While they're doing that, I'm going to show you this chocolate that we have. This is a very efficient way to heat chocolate. You don't have to stir it or anything like that. It doesn't burn. So as you notice, you can see this chocolate is getting pretty melty in here. And I have the pan slightly off of the eye. You can see the edge of the eye right there. Normally, this part would be extremely hot, but it's not at all. And I put the other piece of the chocolate bar right here just to show you that it's not melted, it's still intact. So that is actually on the element, which is pretty cool. So I've melted chocolate, and then right outside of it, still on the eye, a bar that's not even close to being warm. We're going to get right back here to our pot.
48, 49,
where are we, girls?
50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57,
Starting to see some
58,
bubbles here.
59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67,
Get out of that chocolate.
68, 69, 70, 71, 72,
That goes for you too.
73,
These
74,
cooktops are also really good
75,
for if you have kids or
77,
little hands around
77,
you.
78,
Since the top
79,
doesn't get hot,
80,
it makes
81,
it extremely safe.
82,
So you have no
83,
open flame.
84,
These eyes
85,
don't get hot.
86,
If I lifted up this
87,
pan,
88,
it's a little warm to the touch, but it won't burn you. All right, out of the chocolate, please.
93,
Thank you.
94,
All right, let's see
95,
what our
96,
pot is doing. It's getting there.
97, 98,
We're going to cook
99,
some noodles.
100,
Who likes noodles
101,
around here?
102, 103.
Anybody?
Me! 104,
Right.
105. Are they going to be for real? 107.
Yes, we're cooking
108,
noodles.
109,
You can
110,
eat them when we get done.
111, 112, 113,
Oh, yeah.
114, 115, 116, 117, 118,
Get out of that chocolate.
119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128,
Can you grab me some paper towels?
129,
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
130.
All right, we're starting to get some rolls here.
133, 144, 145.
All right. We are getting to a bowl. I think the last count we had was 145, so we are about to come to
135.
135, excuse me. We're about to come to a rolling bowl, which is extremely fast since we started out with water out of the faucet. I'm going to throw some noodles in there. Oh yeah, there it goes. Throwing some noodles in. Okay. I'll also show you how fast this temperature can be controlled and how precise it is. Normally, you know, if you had something at a hard boil, it takes it a good while to go back down and heat. So I'm back to a rolling bowl. I'm going to take it down. Let's say if I want to turn it down, I just pressed my eye right there.
Ooh.
And now I'm going to turn it down.
Oh!
Uh-oh, we got some spillage. That's not good. But thank goodness we have induction. Let me see a paper towel. All we have to do, lift the pot up. Since the cooktop part doesn't get hot, just wipe it off. We're good to go. Nothing burns on. That's the really nice thing about induction. So it can keep your cooking surface looking like it's brand new. Alright, let's get back to our temperature control here.
Mommy.
I'm going to put it back onto a bowl. Alright, there it goes. And now I'm going to turn it down a little bit faster this time. Just took it back down to a 4. And there it goes, back down. So, anyway, thank you guys so much for joining us. And come see us at Economy Furniture and we'll be glad to share some more.